Welcome back, everyone. I'm Drew, and you're watching Wine for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks. Oh, did I say wine? Oh, I don't drink wine. But this is a review place too, right? So I was at the liquor store and I saw this. And I'm like, all right, let's give it a shot. Now, I'm not going to drink it out of a can. It's Bodacious. Pinot. I don't even know how to pronounce anything that wine does, okay? So whatever that is, right there is the type of wine. So I looked it up. It is bottled in, or canned, in British Columbia. They give me all this stuff, so I don't know really how to. No, fancy. I'm just gonna pour some. Just give it a smell. I know nothing about wine. The last time I drank wine is like 8 years ago, and I have a bottle of red too. I might have to do that too. It is what it is, right? Let's open this up and oh man, it's all over my hand. Oh. All right, let's pour this out. So it's a white wine. It's clear. Small little fruit in there. Grapes. Great. Maybe I smell apple actually in this. Let's see what the next step brings. That's the problem with wine, especially white wine. I can drink this all night. This is really good. Definitely patio wine. I can sit on a deck and just drink this all day long. It goes with. It would go really good with like a salad. Maybe like a pickerel dish, some fish in there or something. But man, I gotta do more of these. This is 12% too. Oh boy. Oh, that's, yeah, this is, I might be a wine guy now. I'm really enjoying that. So I'm going to have to guess, I'm going to do my wines as, oh look at the fruit fly now. Look, they're fruit flies. I'm going to do my wines, you can probably hear my, hold on. I'm going to do my wines as out of 5, so that'd be 3.9 out of 5. This is really tasty. Hold on, I'm going to move this tripod for a minute and show you something. That's probably what you hear right there. You're eating. All right, so this is really good. 3.9 out of 5. I'll definitely have to do another wine review. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tomorrow evening, I might have another review of something different. Surprise, surprise. Have a great day. Cheers.